So THORNE Creatine is this pure micronized creatine monohydrate powder that claims to support muscle strength, power, recovery, and even cognitive function with 5 grams per serving and 0 fillers or flavors. Now, I've been checking out creatine supplements and performance nutrition for a while now, and here's my honest review of THORNE Creatine. I'll cover the claims, main features, real pros and cons from checks, and my straight opinion. No hype, just facts. Now, THORNE looks like a premium clinical-grade brand at first glance. The site THORNE.com sells this creatine along with other high-end formulas and the usual performance essentials you'd expect in that niche. The branding talks about NSF certified for sport testing and research-backed purity, which sounds perfectly normal. But once you start checking the company's footprint across safety tools and review platforms, well, things actually look solid. When you run the site through Scam Advisor, it actually comes back with a high trust score, around 85 out of 100. Now, Scam Advisor flags only minor low traffic notes, but gives strong positive signals overall. All of those details together keep it in the trustworthy area right away. Now, other security tools like Scam Detector basically come to the same conclusion. The site is marked as authentic and safe, mainly because of the long-established domain and rigorous third-party testing. And when a creatine brand claims clinical purity and NSF certification but backs it with real expert reviews and certifications, well, that alone becomes a reason to take it seriously. Then there's the review situation. Trustpilot shows mixed brand service feedback, but product-specific ratings on Amazon and the THORNE site average 4.6 out of 5, with thousands of reviews. The reviews mention easy mixing, noticeable strength gains, no bloating for most, and clean results. The pattern is pretty consistent. People praise the quality, but note the higher price. For extra context, the domain THORNE.com has been active for well over 20 years with transparent operations, and THORNE holds multiple certifications, including NSF for sport, making it a go-to for athletes who need banned substance-free products. So when you put everything together, the high trust scores, long-established brand, strong certifications, positive strength and recovery feedback, but premium pricing, well, the picture clearly leans toward being legitimate. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you if you want to try their products. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Since this one checks out as a legit clinical-grade option with excellent testing, if you're looking for clean creatine and it fits your goals, grab it via the Amazon link in the description for fast shipping and easy returns.